Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add headers and footers to Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Google Sheets, I want you to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding headers and footers in Google Sheets can enhance the presentation and organization of your spreadsheet when printing, because headers can include the title of the spreadsheet, providing clear identification of the document's content. Now, this helps user quickly understand the purpose or the context of the spreadsheet. For us to be able to add headers and footers, there are multiple ways for you to do that. Number one is, you see there's going to be an option here that says print, or just click on the control button plus P key. All right, so there's two ways: click this icon or press control plus P, or go to file and click on print. You see that one? So let's check this option here. What will happen is you would be forwarded here, wherein you can set custom page breaks. You have an option that says headers and footers. When you click on it, you see you can include the page number, the workbook title, the sheet name, the current date, and the current time. You see this one at the bottom? You see? Let me do that again for you guys. So you can click on current time. This is it. At the bottom left corner, the current date beside it. When you click on the sheet name, it's on the upper right corner. The workbook title is on the upper left corner. And of course, the page numbers, which is this one. All right. So if you're printing multiple copies, you would be able to find them here. Now, the thing is, it has an edit custom fields. When you click on it, see, you have anything here to add. You can rename, you can add, click the text right here. You also have the content area, wherein you can find more information, and you can also click to add text. You see, there's going to be page number A, page number B, page number C, and of course you can put in the workbook title, sheet name. You can also put in the date from date 1 until date 12, and the times from times 1 to times 4. It's the same thing when you click on the upper part here, the upper portion. Once you've confirmed that, just click on confirm, or you can click on cancel. All right. Now, the next thing is you need to click on next. But you can also go to the print, wherein you can select the current sheet or the selected cells only from A23. You can also choose the paper size here from these options, from tabloid, legal, statement, executive, folio, A3, A4, A5, B4. You can also put in the custom size. Once you're happy with that, adding headers and footers, all you're going to do is click on next, and you see there's going to be, these are the headers and footers right here. All right. The destination could be Microsoft Print to PDF. You can save as PDF. You can choose all pages. You can code customs. And of course, you can choose the color. It could be black and white color, and more settings at the bottom. You want to include the headers and footers for paper size letter, tabloid, and a lot more. And once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on print. Now, you see that adding headers and footers in Google Sheets enhances the document's clarity, professionalism, and compliance. It supports effective communication of data insights, and of course ensures that printed or shared documents meet organizational standards and legal requirements. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.